Hello, this is Stephen from Provide Cars. You can find us on the internet at providecars.com. Now today this is another screencast showing you more about how to use our online Japanese car auction system. Now as you can see, I've brought up a search result page here. I've been looking for Mazda Demios and I've got 5 Mazda Demios of these specifications on the page. And actually, before I started this screencast, I've already put in bids on 4 of them. So what I want to do now is see where my bids are, and I want to be able to manage my bids. It's easy to find your bids. Just go to this blue strip at the top of the page, this blue ribbon, and as you can see, the bids are right here. So let's click on bids. And you can look at bids from not just today, but from other times as well. So for example, if you're interested in yesterday's bids, what happened with your bids yesterday, you can just click on Thursday here. It says it's completed and you can click my bids. If you want to look at bids from before even Thursday, maybe there's a car from last week, you thought you saw it again in the auction today and you're interested in, well, what happened with it last week when I looked at it? You will want to go to my past bids, and here you can bring up all of your bids from the past. But what we want to do today is go to this one, Friday, today's bids, and I want to see my bids for today. So let's click here. Here are my bids. As you can see, I've put in bids on 4 cars. Here is my bid amount, 320,000 yen, 300,000 yen. Remember, these are all the auction prices of the car. This is not FOB, this is not CIF, this is the raw auction price of the car. Now, I can also see the details of the car again if I want to. As usual, I just click on the vehicle ID number and up pops the details screen. And I can go back here. Now, as you can see, what I've done here as well is I've put in these percent signs. Now, you may be wondering what these are. As you can see, each bid has a comment from the bidder, which is me, and it has these percent signs. Well, what these are is these are a way where you can make a group. Now, why would you want to make a group? Well, here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 Demios, but for example, say I only really want to buy 1 Demio today. I don't actually want all 4 of these. Now, if my bids are quite good, quite sensible bids, then I could end up with 2, maybe even 3 out of this group, but I don't want 2 or 3. I only want 1. So what this sign does is it tells the bidding team this car for this user, in my case I'm Mr. Demo Guy, is part of a group, and the group is the percent group. Now let's see how to set these groups. Well, it's very easy. You just go here to click to add a message. When you click here, another window pops up. I'll just bring that into the screen here. Here it says write a message. Now of course I could write any message here. I could write please go ahead with the bid, but what I've done here is I've actually used a group tag, and you'll notice if I click, now you see the group tag has popped up here. Let's just delete that. You can see there are other tags too. So I've got my Mazda Demios set up with the percent tag, but for example, maybe I have another set of cars. I want to buy a Honda Odyssey, and I find 10 Honda Odysseys I'd like. Now I don't want to put those together with the Mazda Demios, so I'm not going to use this tag. So instead I'd use, say for example, the dollar tag. And then I'd have a group of Honda Odysseys which have the dollar tag. I can also write a message in here, so I could write in here, please go ahead with my bid, everything looks okay, thanks, and then I can hit add message, and here we go, the message has popped up. So here, just to recap, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. They're all being bid on, but what will happen is the bidding team will bid on these cars as they come up. So this one comes up 10:31. If they don't get this car, then they wait for the next car to come up. This one comes up at 12 o'clock. If they don't get this one, they bid on this one, which comes up at 145. And finally, they'll bid on this one, which comes up at 608. Now, if they get one of these cars, say for example they're successful for this one, the 12 o'clock one, well then this bid here on the 145 car and this bid here on the 608 and the evening car, these bids will both be deleted and ignored. So we'll end up with only one car. Okay, that's the end of this screencast. We've looked at how to find your bids and how to set up a group. And you can find us at providecars.com. If you're interested in buying cars from Japan, please contact us. We can talk to you on Skype, also live chat. You can click on the button on our website and talk with us immediately, or you can send us an email at contactus@providecars.com. Thank you very much.